Hello everyone. Happy September 7th. Today we celebrate classic flavors, feel-good flicks, and the power of a good laugh. Let's explore 3 inspiring events. These celebrations make great moments to gift someone, even without a special reason. But if you missed out, don't worry. More exciting events are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's National Salami Day. A savory shout-out to this deli favorite loved around the world. A perfect gift could be a gourmet salami sampler, a charcuterie board set, or a subscription to a Meat of the Month club. What's your go-to salami pairing? Tell us your snack combos in the comments. Next, it's National Feel the Love Day. A heartwarming reminder to spread kindness and connection. A thoughtful gift could be a handwritten note, a custom photo frame, or a care package with their favorite things. Who deserves a little extra love today? Tag them or drop their name below. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. And finally, it's National Beer Lovers Day. A frothy toast to hops, pints, and good times. A great gift could be a craft beer tasting set, a personalized pint glass, or a homebrew starter kit. What's your favorite brew or brewery? Let's raise a virtual glass in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You can find links to purchase matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for October 6th to 10th. So you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching everyone, more celebrations are coming tomorrow, stay awesome.